Production outcomes as service. It's not just a metric to be measured, but a mindset that separates the best from the rest. At Infinite Uptime, we embody this mindset, delivering production outcomes through our tech-enabled value delivery approach. While others focus on the 20% technology, we boldly embrace the 80% value delivery challenge. It's our core strength and your key to unlocking true production outcomes. With PlantOS Manufacturing Intelligence value delivery is at the apex of our production outcomes as a service model. Decision assistance, user validation, and value capture. In our continuous learning and feedback loop, all of this data from decision assistance, user validation, and value capture is further fed into AI analytics to calculate prediction scores, forecast energy savings per unit. This AI-calibrated data is then used to provide well-rounded prescriptive insights. These insights, in turn, aid better adoption and improvement. PlantOS is further enriched with high-quality, granular data from live equipment and process view using advanced sensing technology, collaborative artificial intelligence, and human intelligence and domain expertise. PlantOS empowers you to achieve production outcomes with prescriptive maintenance and energy efficiency. With our revolutionary Piezoelectric sensor powering PlantOS, you don't just predict maintenance, you guarantee outcomes